With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is statement 1, that is copper is dissolved at anode and deposited at cathode when copper electrodes are used and the electrolyte is 1 molar copper sulfate aqueous solution. And statement 2 is given, that is SOP, standard oxidation potential of copper is less than the standard oxidation potential of water, and standard reduction potential of copper is greater than that of water. So in this question we are given two statements. We have to choose that these statements are correct or not, and statement 2 is the correct explanation for the statement 1 or no. So first statement is copper is dissolved at anode and deposited at cathode when copper electrodes are used, and the electrolyte is 1 molar copper sulfate aqueous solution. So in this statement it is given that copper electrodes are used and the electrolyte is also copper sulfate, and electrolyte is copper sulfate aqueous solution. So if copper electrodes are used, it means they will also react, because copper electrodes, they are reactive electrodes, and copper electrodes as well as copper sulfate solution is used. So due to common ion effect, both at anode and cathode, at anode the copper is dissolved and at cathode the copper is deposited. So the reactions at anode and cathode are: at anode the copper electrode that is dissolved to give copper to positive ions and electrons. This is the oxidation reaction at anode, and at cathode copper is being deposited. It means copper to positive ions by accepting electrodes forms the copper solid. It means copper is being deposited at cathode. So this is the correct statement, that at anode the copper is dissolved and at cathode the copper is deposited using the copper electrodes and copper sulfate aqueous solution. It is due to the common ion effect, that is common ion effect of copper. So at anode and cathode they are deposited. Now statement 2 is, so first statement is correct. Statement 2 is SOP of copper is less than that of water and SRP of copper is greater than that of water. So SOP means the standard oxidation potential. So for oxidation to occur at anode, the standard oxidation potential of that species must be greater than that of. So if copper is oxidized at anode, it means its standard oxidation potential is greater than that of water. For oxidation, only then the copper is dissolved at the anode. So this is incorrect, that SOP of copper is less than that of water. This is incorrect, but this is correct, that SRP of copper is greater than that of water. The species which has the greater reduction potential than that of water, it will be deposited at cathode. So SRP of the copper, that is standard reduction potential of copper, is greater than that of water. So it is reduced at the cathode and deposited at the cathode. So this statement is incorrect, because this half statement is incorrect, that SOP of copper is less than that of water. So this statement is false, while first statement is true. So the correct answer to this question is statement 1 is true and the statement 2 is false. So correct answer to this question is C option. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.